What's up, Bombies? It's your girl BombShell back with another video. Okay, y'all. This video finna be a little intense, okay? It's a little intense. We finna be getting into top 10, the loudest neck crack compilation ASMR. Ooh, okay. So, I'm scared for everybody, okay? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on IG at BombShell duh. And let's get into this video.
Let it out.
Oh, God. Oh.
Happy tears. Good.
Happy tears. Oh. Happy tears. Why? Oh, gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's
It's also telling me that I'm really going to have to catch you off guard a little bit.
I know.
It's just a part of it.
Just talk. I can't believe that happened.
Hold on. Wait a minute. I need to see that again.
Oh, shit.
Oh, wow.
That happened. I can't believe I let that happen.
Okay.
Oh, that was awesome. Holy shit.
What? Am I missing something?
It's awesome.
Am I missing out?
Okay.
I gotta be missing out or something. I can't let nobody do me like that. More.
That was the biggest one, right?
Yeah.
Because it was so hard for you to turn
Right.
this way.
Oh, wow.
Even when you look back at her,
Right.
when you were up there thinking you just died, you were good.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. You lift the head up. Stay right there.
Interesting. I might need to go see somebody.
Scary.
I got you. What I want you to do is think actually about those specific areas that have been tense, that have been tight, and just consciously release them. See how everything matches, even the bag and the shoes and the blue with the shirt. Put your hands on your stomach. That was better. Sorry.
Oh! Thought it was gonna come off like a dang Barbie doll.
Holy moly.
Holy moly is right, girl.
Just lay down first.
Okay.
Lay down first.
Take it easy, bro. You might need to call Jen a driver.
Call her a driver. She need an Uber.
All right.
Y'all. Oh, wow. Okay, we on number 9?
Let the shoulder come down. That's better.
Okay.
Turn it a little bit towards me.
Oh, you got it.
What's
Okay, that wasn't
bothering
so
you?
bad.
What's hurting you? What's bringing you in today?
So I had surgery on my C4, C5,
Okay.
C5, C6. The surgery was a success, but I've been dealing sort of side effects of my body compensating for the trauma. I've been having a lot of pain in my scapula, like right under the scapula.
And let the air go.
Oh, wow. I need to go see somebody.
Oh, yeah. Make sure your teeth are together. I don't need a tongue flying at me. There you go.
Woo.
Oh, it's so good.
He handled that like the champ.
So what I'm going to do here, we're just going to open up that shoulder a little bit more.
I can't wait to see number 1.
Let the shoulder come down. That's better. Turn your head a little bit towards me. Good.
Okay. Okay, not too bad, not too bad.
Oh, I've been trying to get that for so long.
Oh, so long, okay.
Dude, you are so good.
I need to go to a chiropractor, seriously. I'm so
Shoulders are
scared.
so nice. The range of motion.
They
in my
make me
shoulder
feel
is
like
so
I
much
need
better.
to
The
stretch.
thing I came here for.
Sheesh.
The shoulder is so much better. It's worth it. It's worth it.
Okay, we on number 8. We on number 8. Okay.
Oh,
Not bad. I wonder if he do this to his woman all the time.
A lot of lower back pain.
Mm.
It's from an old military injury from 2003. I was in a motorcycle accident in 2011. I deal with a tremendous amount of pain all the time.
How do you feel like it's been impacting your life?
I used to be able to jog 5 miles every other day, and because of the injuries, I'm almost afraid to try to get involved as much as I used to, physical fitness.
Yeah.
Let your body relax, shoulders relax. Good.
I've had some episodes where I can't get out of bed, immobilized for days at a time.
Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, he happy. Did y'all see his eyes? He looks so relieved.
I've ever experienced.
Really? Wow. I'm impressed. That's very crazy. Very good. Amazing. He's changing lives. I need to go. I need to go.
So much, man.
Yeah, absolutely, brother.
Number
A couple
7.
of these, but what I want you to do with this is let your entire body relax. Yeah.
Relax. Okay.
Wow.
Oh my god. What did you do to my
What did you do to my back?
Yeah.
Is she okay?
Now that one, I felt like I could breathe.
Oh.
That's probably why people can't meditate. You know, some people struggle to meditate
Yeah,
because
there's
they
just so
have
much stuff
so
going on.
much.
I feel
Yeah.
like it takes him a lot longer to meditate.
Interesting. I meditate, you know. I feel like I do need to go to a chiropractor. You feel me? I need to go. I'm gonna go, y'all. I'm gonna go. I'm sold. I mean, I've been before though, but
So good.
I never would let them crack my neck. I would never let them touch my. I was like, no, don't touch my neck. Don't touch my neck. First of all, I'm ticklish. So I was like, whoa, wait a minute. So I think I need to let them do that to me. Right? 6. We on 6.
Is there pain there? Yeah. Okay, where at?
Shoot, I need a massage. I need chiropractor. I need a lot of TLC.
If I do this, does that make it worse? Yeah, a little bit. Okay.
I'm so
If
serious.
I do this, does that make it easier? Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
So we know, even though you're not having neck pain, that whenever it's like this, it's really stretching it out and compressing it. That way, so when you're able to lift
Man,
it
I
off,
need to.
it takes that pressure off that nerve. Again.
Let's go.
Oh, wow. I think I felt
He
that.
said, oh, wow. Oh my God, I would have a crazy reaction.
Good. Try to wiggle your stomach a little bit.
Oh, that one get me when he put a head up.
A lot more.
Yeah, that's the left side, right?
Yeah.
So that's the side that's been so compressed for so long.
Wow.
Look all the way up. How does that feel when you do that? It feels like nothing. How do you feel?
Oh, I gotta go, y'all. Seriously, y'all, we need to go there. we need to go together.
So
I should take y'all with me when I go.
It happens like this, okay? So we want to do rotate it back the opposite way, this way. All right.
He know what he
Kind of
doing.
Fall in my hand more, nice, and if you're just kind of rolling it down.
Ooh.
That's the one. Yeah.
That's the one. I wonder. Okay, so I have a question. I wonder how long do the relief last? You know, like when will they need to come back? Is it how long do they? I don't know. Y'all get what I'm trying to say? He's smiling now. He happy. Say he was so young. He did the cross. For a round of an applause. Let me see. Oh, he got his eyes. Oh!
Wow. Deep breath in.
Deep breath.
And out. We'll do this a couple of times.
Oh! Choked you. Had you by that throat, baby.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
There it is. Wow. Like a new man. Lots of tension.
No man, you say.
Especially down there. You can even feel it right moving.
Wow. He clapping. It's the clap.
Three stars, so I think I'm good. Deep breath.
Okay,
in.
good.
Let it out.
Ooh.
Yes.
He said yes.
Wow. Man, I was expecting that, but man, not expecting this good.
Number 2. Oh, that's 4. 2.
There you go.
Rotate. Follow my hands.
For the longest, I've had like lower back problems, neck issues, even like standing too long or even sitting too long. It's uncomfortable. How do you feel
Damn.
lower back pain is now impacting your life? Kind of limited what I could do.
I need to go here.
Active goes.
Where he at?
That's it. That's we can feel that open. Oh, there we go. I was like, is that the chair or was that my back? That was very good. There was a lady when I was sitting out in the lobby. She says, you know what, your hands are like a gift from God.
Oh, yes, they are. Just loosen your butt.
Oh,
Oh,
we go. My body's alive again.
my body's alive again. Wow, that is beautiful. That is so crazy. Like I need the details. Needs.
Doing it. Oh, man. Dr. Tubio.
Michael?
You know how Gordon Ramsay has his signature dish?
Yeah.
That is your signature crack. Your healer.
Thank you, man.
When you see Dr.
Amen.
Tubio, you will not be disappointed.
Oh man, I need to.
Yeah, we'll
So
take
she
our
got a
time.
tech, number 2. She got a tech.
You know, it's just a lot of stuff that's kind of going on. Drop your head.
Oh,
Wow.
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 No.
Oh
So Rhonda,
wow.
6 months ago, you came and you had a great adjustment. I still remember it. How did you feel after the adjustment?
After the adjustment was awesome. I didn't have a migraine for 3 months. Even
Wow.
with the injection before the adjustment, at least 2 to 3 a month.
Wow. Now, if you don't mind telling us, what were you coming in with at first?
January of '99, I was attacked by a special needs patient,
Oh.
and he almost killed me. Everything was messed up. Since then, chronic back pain, my
Oh,
lower
my
disc was
goodness.
herniated. Migraines pretty much have been nonstop. Chiropractors, doctors, they all told me there's nothing to do about it.
So I wanted to
Wow.
fold down into this hand more.
Wow, man. You always got to get second opinions. Try everything you can try because the doctors was wrong. Okay, because he's here doing miracles.
More. You know, it's just a lot of stuff that's kind of going on. Drop your head. Wow.
Ooh, girl.
Yeah, okay.
Told you.
Ah!
Wow.
They're going to make me start rubbing on myself.
Yeah, that pain's gone right there.
Good. And drop the shoulders and head down. Exhale.
Why is this so interesting to me, y'all? Like, I'm really, like, enjoying this, okay? I'm really enjoying this.
Karate. Relax your head down.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was huge.
Gotta get that fall away. Good.
Oh gosh.
Wow! He know what he doing.
Oh my gosh. 20-something years of pain and anger.
So great.
Yeah, worth my 16-hour drive.
Oh,
So
that's
much
right.
looser, yes. I mean, it enables me to deal with the things that are here to stay better when all the things that are just piled on are gone.
Amen.
That's great.
Awesome.
Thank
Good to see you again, Rhonda.
Good to see
Yes.
you too.
Oh, wow.
Slowly drop into the
Only let it out.
With all the years of heavy
Oh, girl, don't make me cry.
December, it'll be 10 years since I lost my husband.
Oh.
Back in my college days, we had the 50-pound bags of dog food, and so when I lifted it above my head, it was a tear
Oh gosh.
right in here. Ever since then, it was just slowly gradual. The headaches, like my neck, is just so like stiff.
So that's what we're pulling? Nope. Oh, it was better.
Oh. Oh.
That's the show.
Wow, it's the sound effects for me, like the gasp. Oh, like really, wow. Oh goodness, that's how you know like he's doing his big one.
Good. I take this out. Just let it out. You're on.
Oh.
With all the years of having all this pain. In December, it'll be 10 years since I lost my husband.
Oh.
I don't know. I feel like I grew like 3 inches.
Oh. God bless her. God bless all of them.
That's good. This is good.
That's beautiful.
Turn your head all the way to the right again. Wow.
Crazy.
Yes.
That's crazy.
Give you a hug.
Wow.
Thank you for everything.
Beautiful, Dr. Alex. You did your big one. I think I need to go to him, right? Yeah, I do, because I'm in a little bit of pain. Okay. I be in some pain, for real. So, what? I need to go to him. I'm going to look him up. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I enjoyed that video. He's changing lives with his hands. You know, it's different ways to impact people. That's beautiful. Thank y'all for watching this video with me, Bombies. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you're not subscribed, and join the Bombies, you know. Alright. And follow me on IG at BombShell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Gratitude for the love. Bye.